Okay guys, my husband just told me to stop watching the Big Brother and get back into the business. Okay, that's why I'm here right now, and today I'm going to practice insert and index function. Oh shoot, I forgot to delete it to start over. Okay, I'm continuing to practice the singly linked list. Okay, and as I said, I will practice insert at index function. Okay, let's jump right in. We will pass node the head pointer as a parameter, index. At first we have to check if the index is not less than 0, because we cannot handle negative numbers. If it's less than 0, then return. And also if index equals to 0, it means we will just insert at the beginning of the list, and we will call insert at front function. We will create a temporary pointer that we will assign with the head, and we will traverse through the array, but not with a while loop. This time we will traverse with a for loop. We will traverse until temp is not equal null pointer and I less than index minus 1, because we want to insert our node before provided index. And we will increment. Okay, and doing that we will move our next pointer of temp to the next node. If temp equals null pointer, we will return, and if not, we will create our new node, and we will assign our temp next of temp to our new node pointer, next pointer. Yeah, that seems right. It should be it. Let's test our function. Make clean, make all. I have no idea why it takes so much. Oh no, I know why, because we have to traverse twice. Inserted index, it's not very efficient implementation for linked list, because we have to traverse its O on n squared time complexity. Let's run our code. Something's off. Oh, of course. We have to assign new nodes next to temp next. Yeah, it should be it. Let's recompile our code. We have the exact result that we expected. We inserted the new node with value 10 in front of the second index, 0, 1, 2. Value 1 is in the second index, and we inserted value 10 there. That's pretty it. See you guys next time.